Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where apps are pinning themselves to the taskbar automatically, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's the thing. These apps are pinning themselves automatically. Obviously you can unpin the app, but that is a workaround, not the solution. Now, if your computer is an organization managed computer, then you will have to talk to the organization because they have the right to do that. But if it is a personal computer, then you will have to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, other than this, it could also be caused due to a virus or malware. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and then go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection on the left pane. Select Virus and Threat Protection in the right pane. Make sure real-time protection is on. Return to the virus and threat protection page. Scan options, full scan, scroll down, scan now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.